just don't feel like dancing. No, I just don't feel like anything. Do 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 do. It's gonna get real if you wanna feel something. It's gonna get real if you wanna feel something. It's gonna get real if you wanna feel something. It's gonna get real if you wanna feel something. Oh, please. Thank you. I was so thirsty when I started singing that. This next song is coming out next week. It's called POV. We talk like we're throwing rocks, shatter the glass on. Can't put it back when it breaks like that. We pay the cost on. If love was a deal or if magic was real, I'd cross my heart on. But we didn't have to happen, and I might make it hard on. Make it hard. We gave it all we've got.
Thank you. Joey Hayes on guitar. We got John on drums. Stella on bass. I'm Mickey. We're Bird Dog. Give it up for Sleeping Jesus. Freaking ripping set. One day I'll remember to bring CDs. Anyways, the song's called Split. Thank you, Alex, for hosting. I found this capo on the ground, so thank you. Yeah, can everyone just give it up for the ground? We really need it.
Hey.
Yeah.
We're grounded. Oh. Hey.
We're,
You're all about to be grounded after this thing.
You're all about to be so grounded after this.
Punitive.
Don't tell your parents about this one.
It's about fucking.
Jesus Christ. Did somebody go, ew?
That's fair. I'm hearing that.
Somebody went, ew.
You're gonna hear the song and you're gonna be like, fuck.
Okay, it's that one, right?
That's correct.
Okay, yeah. Chasing the heart on the outside again and again. Chain my head to a cloud, it propels me and I'll take them all down. Force the future upon me with my longing alone. I could suffer even faster if I wanted. could feel it all. I could feel it all. Tried to spot you in the crowd from the mezzanine looking down. I poured my heart over the rail. So tired and so capable of falling for you, for everybody else. I could hold her and I could hold him and I could hold you. Oh, but I could suffer even faster if I want. I could feel it all. I could feel it all. I could suffer even faster if I want. I could feel it all. I could feel it touched you like a light, dawn the music with a curtain, rest invisible. Thank you. Oh yeah, live music.
I told you guys.
Did you guys, anyone grounded after that? We'll see. Oh
That
boy,
sounds grounded as fuck.
that sounded.
So grounded. That's what we're going for. Who's excited for Yellow Ostrich? We'll be watching as well. In spirit.
So weird.
Fun.
All right, this next one's a bit of a rocker. If I do say so myself. Okay, both.
Ambitiously, so nothing but feelings. You're right on the road.
They're just like, here's my song. Oh, God. Okay. This next one is called Blue Like a Boy. Thank you. I feel like we played for like 10 minutes.
Time flies.
Okay. Are you doing it? I'm doing it, yeah.
I can't hear with these things.
Oh, I know. I have such strong earplugs in right now. Can't hear a damn thing. Like, it's happening over here. Hey, right. Okay, let's see how this goes. Stay alive, streamlined summer. Sweat through sheets, idle heat clings like Celadon.
On your breath, you said that you don't change for anyone. You're scared to death now that you won't change for anyone. Not for anyone. Holding back, knee deep, but we don't speak. He leaves the TV on. I don't know what's right. Maybe I was wrong, but baby, don't think twice. Sometimes we get it wrong. Sometimes we get it wrong. Promises, we gather flowers. Lose our grip, we eclipse what we allow. What's forever if I can't have it now? What's forever if I can't have it now? The love of a dreamer, past the days as she frames them still within her hands. She holds a love so blank and imaginary, it's still hung on the brush of a silhouette. Thank you. We got a couple more for you, and then Yellow Ostrich is going to take the stage. Tune.
We have a couple things coming out this year, hopefully. We have an EP coming out hopefully in the summer. And then we just finished tracking something with our special friend up front, Mr. Nat Harvey. I am excited. This year.
This year.
Tomorrow it's coming out, actually. And, yeah, we should go. Nat has to go.
So Nat has to go.
Yeah. Well, and they're also on mushrooms, and everyone can tell.
That's so mean.
I'll shut up.
Yeah, Joey is grounded. That would be really terrible if that was true. This song is called Too Alive.
Maybe I've been staying in, even a little light could break my skin. Clouds and clouds cloud my room, they're everywhere, it's just hard to prove. Do you remember how it was? We couldn't feel a thing till we took too much. Guess there's nothing that time won't eat. I'm picking out the pieces between its teeth. I'm too alive. I'm too alive. Didn't want to take your heart. You told me it was broken from the start. But you gave it to me still. It was a gift then, now it always will. Words ends and ends again, taking everything but the lesson. Thank you, Mike Noyce on sound.
We love Mike A.
Yellow Ostrich is next.